So this one's on sale today here at $135.15. So the $135.50, $179 and $189.
Oh, okay.
So this one's on sale versus online $159 and $135. Yep.
So these are no special price today? Or these?
Those two, no.
Which one's the newest one?
This one's the newest one. Just came out. But so far as like this being the older version, this is the Pro Tour for this one, which is the best one.
Oh, this one here.
As far as magnetized on your phone and more capabilities, longer lasting battery, and further radius of audio capturing versus these two. These are like 3 meters in distance, and this one's 5.
5 meters for this one.
So it's like more like 9 feet versus like 16 and a half.
Yeah.
This one is on sale.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
You don't have to have it. Well, I guess you have to have it close by, right? Because what is it that like records? Is this the mic in here or?
Correct. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It's
30
a
hours
speaker.
versus 20.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Longer capture range.
So you would have to have this close by when you're doing that.
yeah, I guess. But then 9 feet. Yeah. So a lot of business individuals use it for like roundabout table meetings, or just they can even do their presentation, practicing presentations, or your teacher or something like that. Therapists, like everyone in those professional environments that need to kind of present.
Either it just
I guess maybe like turn in something that they were saying, or wanted to record a session or something, or kind of practice their speaking keynotes stuff.
Yeah.
Some small businesses that want to record stuff, throw it on the translator, edit it, blah blah blah, and throw it in for like teaching purposes.
Oh yeah.
All that, yeah. And then even like the interviews, blah blah, language barrier. 5 minutes of talking, throw it in there, and translates to 112 different
Oh, so it
languages.
does translations. So you can translate to
this one is more
so then if it captures any language, well, within the 100, what do you say, 112?
112, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's any language. Huh?
Yeah, that's
Because all languages, hopefully.
I'm pretty sure.
All the basics, like,
Yeah.
top 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw it in there and translate the whole thing.
No, that's good then. Oh,
That's very professional.
yeah.
Kind of.
That would have been good. I got everything. No. This one looks to be more thicker.
That would be excellent.
This one's a little bit thicker, it looks like, or is that the same?
To be honest, it does look like it to me as well. It might be slightly thicker. But they're very close in size. I mean, it might be the same size to be honest.
Yeah.
Because they both go on these sleeves, and they both fit perfectly the same in sleeve, and then the sleeve is magnetic. You know?
Oh, yeah.
So it's $135.15.
Kind of like one of those wallets you have on the back.
Oh, yeah.
So it makes it look normal.
Yeah.
Instead of like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Do you want me to print or email?
So do you have to have a special case for it, or just does it use the MagSafe?
It comes with the MagSafe.
It comes with the
It
MagSafe.
comes with all this in the
In the kit and everything.
Yes, of course. Did you want a bag?
Okay, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank y'all.
All right.